Hello children, today in the part 3 of our video lesson we are going to see problem based on chemical equation. So as we have seen in part 1 of the video, first we will find molecular weight of all. In fact, we don't need all molecular weight. Okay, like water I don't think so, in this case you need nitrogen. So we will see first that any chemical equation follows law of conservation of mass. So first thing we will find molecular weight of ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate is a very nice compound, orange in color. If you want to see how when you heat it or when you burn it, so this gives a very good volcano experiment. So simply children, before you start doing this, you can go and just say heating of ammonium dichromate. In the YouTube you will get many videos. It's artificial volcano-like, very nicely you will see it burns like a volcano, and you get a green powder, fluffy powder called chromic oxide. Water and nitrogen definitely comes out, but water is in form of vapor, it's quite hot, so it is lost to the atmosphere. So very beautiful reaction. Generally in science exhibition children, we use this as artificial volcano. So, and it's a orange powder, okay, ammonium dichromate. So when you heat ammonium dichromate, we get chromic oxide, water and nitrogen. So let us find molecular weight, okay, of ammonium dichromate. This is ammonium ion, okay, and this is chromate ion. So atomic weight is given. Nitrogen is 14 into 2 nitrogen, 4 hydrogen, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. Hydrogen is 1 children, plus chromium is 52 into 2 plus oxygen is 16. So how many oxygen we have? 7 oxygen we have. So let us see and add 28 plus 8 plus 104, 16 sevens are 18, 112. So when we add children, we get 252 gram is molecular weight of ammonium dichromate. Please copy this, otherwise then I will rub it. So here with blue pen, blue marker, I am going to write the molecular weight of your ammonium dichromate, okay, gram molecular mass. Now next we find the molecular mass of chromic oxide, Cr2O3. Chromium children is 52 and oxygen is 16. So 104 plus 48, we get 152. So if you see, the molecular weight of chromic oxide is 152 gram. Water is 18, I have done in my previous part. If you see, H2O is 2 into 1. So remember, always weight of one molecule of water is 18 gram, and nitrogen is 2 into 14, okay, 28 grams. So this is 28 gram and this is 18, 4s are 72 gram. So please copy, then I will go to the next part. So calculate the volume of nitrogen. You also see here in this chapter, you see there are 2 types of question we get: weight relationship, okay, and weight volume. And third one is volume, where you will see this when we do Gay-Lussac's law. So this is we use Gay-Lussac's law children. So you will see this in my later on videos where we use Gay-Lussac's law to find the volume relationship. So when we do, then you will understand, children. Okay. So here we have weight relationship. I'll try to explain with this example. Then weight volume. See, I calculate the volume of N2 evolved when 63 gram of ammonium dichromate is heated. We can use also mole concept. So all the basic idea you have to see my first video, introductory video on your stoichiometry. So please copy, then we will move on to the first question where I'll show you what is weight relationship, children, and weight volume I'll come up in the Gay-Lussac's law. So pause the video and copy, then we will try to solve this sum. So before I solve this question, children, I'd like to tell you the same question came almost in 2001. If you see Dalal's book, I told you page 99, 100, 101. There are 7 varieties of sum, children, and this is the last and most important 7th variety, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you have seen in my previous video, first we have done your percentage composition, then empirical molecular formula, and this is the most important problem based on chemical equation. So very similar question is repeated. Now, how we solve? So first I'd like to tell you over here what is weight relationship. But actually here in first question, we have to see this actually calculate the volume of N2 evolved nitrogen when 63 gram of ammonium dichromate is taken. When you take 63, how much will be nitrogen? So listen very carefully. What is weight relationship, children? If you take 252 gram of ammonium dichromate, NH4 whole twice Cr2 7, 252 gram of NH4 whole twice Cr2 gives 28 into 28 gram of nitrogen gas. If you take weight, but this question is not saying about weight, I'll tell you. So this is weight relationship. So if you take 1 gram, it will be 28 by, it will be less. So when you take 63, children, I'll explain it to you with the concept of moles. 63 gram is 1/4. So 252 gram is molecular weight, it's 1 mole. So this is 1/4. If you divide 252, just I'll show you, 63 gram will be, you will see, this will go 4 times, means 1/4. So 7 gram. But this is not the question. You will get 7 gram of nitrogen. Once more, most of this, some children you can do mentally or orally. This is 1/4. Listen very carefully. 252, generally if we take 1 mole, but generally we don't take 252. We'll take 63, which is 1/4. So here 28, 1/4 will be 7 gram of nitrogen. But this is not the question. This side you have to find volume. Why I explain to you this? Because this is weight. When you take 252, so it's like unitary method, children, or ratio also. Sometime I see some book, this book also you can say the ratio. If you take 252 gram, first I take ammonium dichromate, I get 28 gram of nitrogen. So if I take 63, how much of nitrogen I'll get? See, 252. So first thing, children, is as per equation. Equation tells 252 gives 28. So 63 will give me how much? So if you know doing ratio, product of extreme is product of means. So ultimately, children, you will see you get the same thing. 28 by 252 into 63. Here also this will cancel. 4 times you will get 7 gram. So this is once more a very easy question based on unitary method or ratio. So once more, 252, this comes from equation, gives you 28 gram, 63 will give you how much? 252 gives you 28, 1 gram will give you 28 by 252 gram of N2, then 63 gram will give this 1/4. So very simple thing. This sum, this is weight by weight, and another way, children, is mole concept we will see. So this is 1 mole. So just method 2 I'll tell you, this was method 2. Method 3, okay, method 2 is this is unitary method, method 1, okay, and this is method 3. If you do, see here, children, 252 gram is equal to 1 mole. 1 gram is 1 by 252 mole. So 63 gram of ammonium dichromate is 1/4 of mole. Okay, so 1 mole gives 1 mole here of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen is 28 gram. You see my first video, introductory video. So then here nitrogen also will get, so nitrogen also will get 1/4 mole. So 1 mole of nitrogen is 28 gram. So 1/4 mole you will get 7 grams. So this is idea of mole. Okay, once more, see here, 252 gram is 1 mole of ammonium dichromate. So 63 is 1/4. So when you take 1/4, see 1 mole gives you 1 mole, 1/4 mole gives you 1/4 mole. Okay, so this is how we have third method. So this was, children, weight. Then we will see actually what is weight, volume. Okay, now before I go to the part 1, I'll show you part 2 first. Mass of chromic oxide. So since this is, see, weight relationship, mass of chromic oxide formed at the same time when you take 63 gram of ammonium dichromate. So listen, this is mass, so I'll go to this later on. So first one, what I explained, actually it was not the question. What is the question? Let us see, children. Here, if you take 252 gram of ammonium dichromate, it gives, if you see, how much chromic oxide? This is 252. How much chromic oxide we get? Just I will edit it. I get 152 gram of Cr2O7. O3, sorry. Once more, mass. I am finding this, children. Then I'll go to the first one. Mass of the chromic oxide formed at the same time means when you take 63 gram of this. So see, as per equation, if you take 252 gram, you get 152 gram. 252 gram of ammonium dichromate gives 152 gram of chromic oxide. So 63 gram will give you 1/4 of this, because this is 1/4. So let us see how. 252 gram gives you 152 gram. So 1 gram will give you 152 by 252. So when you take 63 gram, this you will get 1/4 of 152. It will be 38 gram. Half is 76, half of half is 38. Second method, if you do 252 gram gives 152 gram, so 63 will give how much? So simply we multiply first with the last, this side remains and this side is 23 becomes 63, because we get 63 gram of here ammonium dichromate we use. So here we have 63 into 152, this into this. Okay, so here we get, in place of X is, in place of 28 nitrogen we have 152, so this is 4. If you cancel 4 with this, you get 38 gram. So third method also, if you see, 252 gram is 1 mole, 63 gram is 1/4 mole. So 1/4 mole of chromic oxide will be 1/4 of 152 gram. You will get 38 gram. So once more children, I was talking about mass relationship. This side we take mass, 252. See, first relationship comes by the equation, balanced chemical equation. 252 grams gives you 152 gram. So in the first step I found the molecular. If you take 63, you take 1/4 less, it will be 1/4 less. So this is simple unitary method. 252 gives 152 gram of chromic oxide. 1 will give less, 63 will give more. So where there is less in unitary method, you see in class 8, we have learned it is division, and in the third step it is multiplication. Next we want more. Second method is ratio based method. 252 gram of ammonium dichromate gives you 152 gram of chromic oxide. 63 will give me how much? So product of extreme is equal to product of mean. This into this is this into this. Find x, how much of chromic oxide will be formed at the same time. Answer is 38 gram. And the next method is what we call mole method. So you have to see my introductory lesson. Now coming back to the part 1, then I'll bit this question is repeated in 2001 and 15. So 2001, just I'll show you how we find. So children, this was just to explain it to you what is weight relationship. Then I'm going to the part 1, which is weight volume relationship. Okay, so just I showed you weight of nitrogen also to make you understand that sometime for gases you can have weight or weight volume also. Like see, this was not a gas, solid, weight. So generally for gases we don't have weight relationship as shown, we have weight volume. So how we solve? Just pause the video and copy, then we finish the part 1. Now we see how we get weight volume, children. So weight volume relationship, I told you we have 2 basic relationship in this chapter. So weight I explained, 252, 152 or 28. Now first part of the question, calculate the volume of N2 evolved when 63 gram of. So volume, so see here what I'll do, this I'll not take as mass, children. What I'll do, 1 mole. First introductory video, if you see children, this will be 22.4 liter. 1 mole of 1 molar volume means volume of 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen is 28 gram we have seen. But if you see volume, it is 22.4 liter. So 252 gram of ammonium dichromate gives 22.4 liter of nitrogen. This is called, children, weight on one side 252 gram and volume on one side. So we don't take 28 gram. Weight volume relationship, since this is a gas, volume you need a gaseous product. So 252 gram gives you 22.4 liter. 1 gram will give you 22.4 by 252. So 63 will give you 22.4 into 63 by 252. This I told you is 1/4, and 1/4 of 22.4 liter is half is 11.2, 5.6 liter. Okay, this is first method. Then one very small table I'll give you before I finish this video. Then I go to this is 3A part. Then I'll go to some more numerical 3B, you will see. Okay, now same question if I use ratio method. 252 gram gives you 22.4 liter. See, I write with blue. Weight, volume. 252 gram of ammonium dichromate gives 22.4 liter. 63 gram will give you how much? So this side also weight, will get volume. So very simply, product of extreme. So see, x is an extreme, I take x first, is product of the mean. So you get 1/4 of 22 liter, 5.6 liter. Last one, if you use this concept of mole, 252 gram is 1 mole, 63 is 1/4 mole. So here 1/4 mole will give you 1/4. So nitrogen 1 mole volume is 22.4 liter. Molar volume of 1 mole. So 1/4 mole will be 1/4 of 22.4 liter. So you will get 5.6 liter. So any method you use, you may see my first video, introductory video, and you'll understand. And one more thing before I end this video. See, most of the volume, please copy, I'll rub this part and tell you. So please copy this, then I will tell you one very important thing before I end the video. Okay, see the last part, most of the answer, you see, just you can copy it. 1 mole of a substance you take, 1 molecular weight like 252 gram over here, or here 28 gram, especially you take gas, is 22.4 liter. 1 mole of any substance is 22.4 liter. Like here, 28 gram of nitrogen volume is 22.4 liter. Okay. Now, if you have half mole, like you see, in place of 252, you take half of that, 126. You will get 11.2 liter. So whenever gas is half mole, you get 11.2 liter. Here 1/4 mole. This is 1/4 mole, I'll get 1/4 mole. So 1/4 mole, if you see, just I have done, children, is 5.6 liter. Same way 1/5 mole, if my memory is right, 4.48 liter. 1/5 of 22.4 liter. 1/5 of 22.4 liter. So most of the question, 90 to 99% of answer when you find volume of a gas is either 22.4 or maybe double of that, 2 mole, 44.8. Half mole is 11.2, 1/4 mole and 1/5 mole. So this is the answer you will see for a gas. It's like, see here, I took 1 mole, I got 22.4 liter, but since I have taken 63, equation gives you for 1 mole. Okay, if it's a balanced equation, you have to see, generally it's for 1 mole, but if it is 2 over here, then 2 moles. So, and 63 is 1/4, so answer is 1/4 mole. For nitrogen is 5.6. So this was a basic question we have learned in a chemical equation. What is weight? I have shown you in the beginning part of the video, and this is weight volume, children. So we will do more sum. Okay, and part 3b, part 3c will follow, where we will see how we do this problem based on chemical equation.